Welcome back, everyone. I told you guys I would be back on here to show you proof that I got paid from Prizerebel. So here we are on my PayPal account. I'm going to refresh the page so you know that this is my account and not somebody else's. So I went ahead and refreshed the page for you so you can see that this is my PayPal account. Nobody else can get in here unless they're a hacker or unless they know my PayPal password. Okay, so this is my PayPal account. And as you can see here, I got paid from Prizerebel. It's April 17th, and I got paid $5. It's from Prizerebel. See, Angelic is the name, and they have a phone number here, which I think that's amazing. That shows they're a legit company. And they have their email here. You can email them. So this proves that I got paid today. Told you, huh? Because I'm a Diamond member, I get my payments very quickly. So as I said before, you guys, it's not hard. $5 is not hard to get to. You just have to work to get to it, and you will get there. Excuse me. But $5 is not hard to get to on Prizerebel. The reason I was able to cash out so quickly when I first started is because I was checking to see if it was going to pay me, because I have been scammed before. And I found out very quickly that Prizerebel was not a scam. I actually started cashing out $5. Felt like almost every other day or every other week when I first started. So Prizerebel is a really good company. You see they have a phone number here. They have their website. They have their email. And it tells you who I got paid by, Angelic. So I got paid $5. I've been a part of Prizerebel for a long time. And hold on. Let me just take you here to show you. So this year, February 1st, I got paid by Prizerebel. You know, there's some other payments in here. Show you guys how far back it goes. So, Angelic are all the Prizerebel payments I've gotten. So this year so far, I've only cashed out twice from Prizerebel this year. But I've cashed out from Prizerebel tons of times. So I just wanted to come on here and make that quick payment proof video to show you guys I did get paid from Prizerebel, and you can do it too. You can even go up to 10,000 points and cash out $100. It's not hard to get to. It's not hard at all. So as I said in previous videos, if you're interested in learning about how I make an income on Prizerebel, I have a video here that shows you that. This is the site you guys can come to if you want to join Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, NCTC, or even Swag Bucks. I have a video and I have the button on the left-hand side of the video at the bottom if you guys want to, below the video if you want to sign up with these sites. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. That's my payment proof, showing you that I did get paid from Prizerebel today, April 14th. And don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.